G'day guys, today we're talking about premium. Premium coffee. G'day guys, I'm Seemyshell and today's episode is all about premium membership on geocaching.com. Before we start, I will tell you my story about how I became a premium member on gc.com. It all started about 6 years ago now for me when I found out about this hobby through a friend of mine. I downloaded the app on my phone straight away. I then went out and found my very first cache within 5 minutes of downloading the app. I thought, how cool is this game? I shared the game with my children and we became addicted. And that's how it all started. At first it is free, it is totally free. The app is free, an account is free. However, I soon learnt within 3 months that if you paid a premium price, you now get premium geocaches. And what that means is it opens up the endless variety of types of caches you can get. Now, how much for this endless of fun, endless enjoyment are you asking for? I'm telling you now, I'm not sponsored by gc.com in any way, shape or form. I am just like you. I am a member and a game player. It costs approximately, I think it's $30 a year, USD, very different to AUD. $30 a year, and $30 a year, it's nothing. It's less than a cup of coffee a day, like for 2 weeks. So my point is this. I started off as a basic member to make sure I actually enjoyed the game. I enjoyed the game that much that I then upgraded to become a premium member. I have not looked back since. The premium membership has given me so many things. Let me just show you a few things, different types of caches we're talking about here. So we're talking things like gadget caches. Gadget caches are still a geocache. You still have to find the logbook. You still have to sign your name in the logbook for a gadget cache. But the whole excitement with a gadget cache is just that, finding the logbook. And then they open up things called virtual geocaches. Virtual geocaches means there is no logbook to sign, but you need to be in a particular place to answer questions, maybe take a photo or two. And I'll tell you now, these places, these virtual places where they are just amazing. You will soon book all your travel plans around geocaching. Trust me on this. My trip across the USA, I did 26 states in 30 days, self-drive tour. I'd never been over there before in my entire life. 26 states, 30 days, found so many geocaches, had so much fun, met so many people. The only reason why I went over the USA because of geocaching. They had like these amazing event coming up. It's called a Giga event where there was over 5,000 people in Cincinnati. It was a huge event. I'd already met people online, but this way I actually got to meet them in person. For me, becoming a premium member opened up so many avenues. I mean, yes, you still can, as a basic member, you still can go to events, you still can go to a Giga event. Doesn't stop you from doing those events. But as a premium member, all of a sudden you have so much more to talk about.
How good a cache was that?
Excellent.
Oh, yes.
Scared the Jesus out of me.
Haunted house. That's what it is. Boo!
Scared the dog.
But there's plenty of other things that you can do as a premium member that you can't actually do as a basic member. One of the main things you can do as a premium member, you can filter your searches online, whether that be from difficulty and terrain rating filters, or you want caches along a particular route in which you're traveling. You can then save these caches as well to an offline list. See, there's so many extra things you can do when you become a premium member. And as I said before, guys, this is not sponsored by geocaching.com in any way. But if you'd like to become a premium member, or if you want any more details, have a look in the links below in the description. I've got so many different links down there. So guys, if you want to become a premium member, you know what? Just go for it. Bite the bullet, go for it. There's different payment plans apparently you can do as well. I don't know, 100%. I only pay every single year. I pay every year, that's it, done. $30 USD, easy, said, done. And I have a hobby that lasts me an entire lifetime. Leave me a comment below and let me know how long was it for you that you became from a basic member to a premium member. Some people it's overnight. You wait and see in the description below. Meanwhile, guys, on next week's episode, we're going to talk all about trackables, travel bugs. What are they? They sound interesting. They sure are. Anyway, time to finish the coffee. Time to find a few more caches and do a few more puzzles as well. This is Seemyshell. Thanks for watching. Travel bugs next week. I'm over and out. That's good coffee. That's really good coffee.